The Little Blizzard, written by Bryant Falk. Read by Jeannie Fishman. Illustrated by Olnick. Once upon a time, there was a little blizzard that lived way up in the Great Lakes near Buffalo. His day was full of making snowstorms, snowmen, and ice sculptures. One day, Little Bee went out to play and saw other blizzard kids playing ice hockey. Oh, can I play? He asked. He then started to make a lot of snow. He does that when he gets nervous. The bigger blizzard kids, all dressed in their hockey gear, just laughed at him and said, "Oh no, Little Bee, you are too small." Little Bee got so mad, he jumped into the sky and got caught by Johnny Jetstream, who whisked him quickly away. When Little Bee finally landed, there was no snow or ice to be found anywhere. Everyone was dressed in bathing suits and sunglasses. They called this land Florida. Everyone gathered around Little Bee. He was so nice and cold. Little Bee got really nervous, so he started to make lots and lots of snow. That's what he does when he gets really nervous. In fact, he made so much snow, he filled the beach. Everyone began laughing and jumping and playing in all the wonderful snow. One boy held up a cone full of snow. "Hey, everybody, look, a snow cone." Little Bee happily decided to stay in the land of Florida, where he made the most wonderful friends and the most delicious snow cones ever. The end.